Glamies, welcome back to my YouTube channel, y'all. If it's your first time here, you're welcome, darling. You all know it's the Valentine season and the girls are coming with the looks, okay? Today's video, I want to do a very nice, sexy, sultry Valentine's Day makeup look. And I don't really have a specific makeup look in mind, however, we're gonna go with the flow. Maybe I'm just gonna do what will match my outfit, but at the same time yet sexy and classy. You know, I like class. And that's the plan for today's video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, ensure that you hit the subscribe button right down below, and don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I upload a new video, darling. So yeah, let's just get straight into this makeup look. So guys, I'm just gonna go in my eye look. I just did my brows off camera just to save some time. If you want to know, however, how I do my eyebrows, just go to my eyebrow tutorial video. I'm gonna link it down below. I'm just going in with this red orangey eyeshadow right here and mixing it up with this my crease. Now that that's done, you guys, I'm just gonna go in with my little trick in order to ensure that my eyeshadow pops. I'm just going with a little bit of concealer and try to do like a fake cup crease. So guys, we have come to the end of this makeup look. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let me kind of show you guys my outfit. It's kind of dark, but I don't know. This is the dress I'm putting on. I don't know if you can see. It's the dress I'm putting on. Just kind of like open at the back. So guys, if you enjoyed this video so far, ensure that you give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you all in my next video. Happy Valentine's Day guys. Happy Lovers Day.